Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download photos from your AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL Mail website. Now from the home page, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button that you see at the top right corner and then proceed forward by entering your credentials. After you enter your credentials and login, you will be taken into your mail homepage. Now if you wish to download photos from any email, then open up the email folder within which you have received some photos that you want to download. Open up the email by simply clicking on it, and once you open up the email, you will be able to find all of the images or photos that are within the email. As you hover over these images, you will find the download button at the bottom right corner of each image. You can simply click on this button and this will download your image onto your computer right away. You can do this with any number of images that are within the email, and this will download your image right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download your photos from your AOL mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.